In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the status column in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a complex project or organizing a simple to-do list, the status column is an essential tool for tracking the life cycle of any task, helping you and your team to stay on top of things effortlessly. First, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Begin by either opening an existing board or creating a new one. If you're setting up a new board, you have the option to start from scratch or choose from various templates like project management, task tracker, or even a CRM template. Remember, each row on your board represents a task, post, or project. The status column is key in displaying the current state of these elements clearly. Once your board is ready, it's time to add a status column. Head over to the right side of your board and click on Add Column, then select Status from the list. You'll notice it comes with default labels like Working on it, Stuck, and Done. And if you're managing multiple aspects, you can certainly have more than one status column, each tailored to specific areas such as design status or client approval. Customization is where Monday.com truly shines. To make the status column align with your workflow, click inside any cell of the status column, then tap the pencil icon to edit your labels. This allows you to rename, add, or delete labels and assign custom colors to each status option. For instance, you might use green for done, yellow for in progress, and red for stuck. Consistent color coding not only makes your board visually appealing, but also easier to interpret at a glance. As you progress with your tasks, updating the status column is simple. Click the desired cell and select the appropriate status from the drop-down menu. The color and label will adjust instantly. This visual feedback can be a great way for your team to see any project's progress instantly, adding a layer of transparency and accountability. To take full advantage of the status column, consider using dashboards, where you can add widgets like the battery or chart widget to visualize your project's progress and task distribution. Pair the status column with others, like people, date, or timeline, to amplify its functionality. You can even create formulas to automate tracking and reporting. Organizing your data doesn't stop there. The filter and sorting features allow you to focus on specific statuses, decluttering your view, and ensuring that you and your team tackle the most pressing tasks first. Lastly, for a more visual management style, use the Kanban view to represent your tasks in a Trello-like interface, which simplifies the process of dragging items across columns as statuses change. Keeping track of progress over time is doable with activity logs or updates sections, ensuring you have a historical perspective on task completions and workflow adjustments. By mastering these features, you can unlock a more organized, efficient way to manage your projects,